How you doing, everyone? Quick little vlog today. We're off to a meet, off to a little bit of a show. Never been to one of these before. It's a 4x4 meet, and I'm in the 4x4. So I'm going to get on the road as usual. I've got no fuel at all, so I hope I make it to the garage. And yeah, see you in a bit. So I've made it to the fuel station. There's some nice, good fuel in it, but shouldn't have let it get that low. The old injectors don't like it. Put my foot down, it's sort of spluttering a bit. Hopefully it's just picked up a bit of crap off the bottom of the tank, and yeah, it should clear. Yeah, but we're on our way. We're on our way there. Probably guess where we're going when I say it's one of my favourite places to go with the cars.
Bicester Heritage Scramblers.
Well, what a great afternoon at the 4x4 Festive Assembly at Bicester Heritage. It was a really good run out in the 4x4 down to Bicester. The injectors cleared after a while and the car run like a dream. It's so good to get out in the Sierra because I don't do it that often. Thank you to We Are Scramblers for having me down there on that day. The next vlog I will post will be of Bonham's auction on the same day. What a fantastic auction it was, just walking around there. Oh my god, they were amazing cars going across the blocks. So I'll post that one as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.